So today we are changing out the rad. This 2002 WRX. It's my buddy Cade's. We're also doing the thermostat, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're just waiting for it to cool down. Then we'll get to her. So, since we got this chassis brace, the fucking drain plug is
not in an ideal spot.
no. So might make a little mess. That's okay.
Oh my god. It's ice cold.
It's cold?
Yeah, that thermostat was not opening at all. Dude, that's fucked. It's ice cold. This is fucked. Alright, the coolant finally drained. So now we're gonna take the bottom rad hose off and get to the thermostat, which should be a lot of fun. So we just gotta take that off and then take these two bolts off, and the thermostat should be right behind there. I'm gonna be honest, I don't think I did that time lapse right. Sorry, Tyler. But we got the bottom rad hose off. Now we just have to get this off, if you can see it, which I think is 2 10 mils. I'll be right back. So I got the 10 mil. Now everything's slippery. All right, so we got that coolant flange off, and I don't know if you guys can see that. There's the thermostat. All we just got to do is pull it out, pop the new one in, and hopefully it'll... Well, it's never that easy, is it? Oh, fuck! Sick. Well, that hurt. Might have made a mess, a little bit. This fucking chassis brace does not help anything. That was sick. Dude, this thermostat. So the thermostat is like super stuck. It won't move at all. Which is not what we want. Okay, I'll be right back. So we got the thermostat out. The next thing I'm gonna do is take this radiator out. I already took these brackets off. So now I just got to take all of these hoses off, the overflow, and should just pull out. I'll try and do a time lapse of it, but I honestly don't know how to use this camera. All right, so the radiator is out. I'm not really sure what my issue was. I'm pretty sure the thermostat was just sticking, because this is my second radiator and it just blew like right here. It was just spraying out the side right here. As you can see, all over there, all up there. It was pretty bad. This is the second one that's done it. That's an STI rad. We got another one from the actual right year, 02 STI. And hopefully changing the thermostat fixed our issue. I guess we will find out. But for right now, it's time to get this thing back in. Let's compare the two real quick. I'm pretty sure, yeah, I'm pretty sure these are the same. It looks like to me, maybe not quite. This one might be bigger. I don't know. I have some fins to straighten, but I don't think we'll really worry about that too much. And yeah, let's throw it on. What I was just doing was like getting these fucking Japanese bugs out of here and kind of just straightening all of these fins. It's a pain in the ass, and I don't really know if there's any point to it, but I like to take my time and do shit like this. But now it's good enough. We can throw it in the car. Actually, I decided the first thing we're gonna do is put the thermostat in. I'm gonna be honest, that the one kind of looks like this one already blew up, to be completely honest. I hope that's not the case, but with these radiators, like, there's such garbage. I mean, there's a possibility that that will be the case. But yeah, let's put this thermostat in. It's not too hard. All right. You're probably not using this as a tutorial, but always just make sure this jiggle pin is on top, facing up. And you kind of just, oh, my bad. Pop it in like that. Should be good. Pretty sure there's grooves that line up there. That's why I had such a difficult time right there, but should be fine. Now we can put the flange on. That's also pretty easy. I don't think I need to film that, but yeah. So we got it all in, and we just bled the coolant system. And as I suspected, it's leaking right there. So probably just gonna JB weld it 6.
Fiber fix.
What you using there, Cade?
I don't know what the Fiber Fix, not a sponsor.